What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will talk about the preview of iOS 14 beta 5. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video, shall we? So at the time of making this video, the August 17th, Apple is about to drop beta. Yes, tomorrow. It means August 18th or August 19th, so it means that is very important week for Apple and developers. Now let's talk about the things which will be improved in beta 5. So it is expected that beta 5 would be the second last beta, and after beta 5 there will be a gold master one. It is expected that Apple will release a gold master one after beta 5, but let's see. We can't judge Apple. We have seen that Apple have already delayed the beta 5. So the beta 4 is right now really laggy for many users, and people are saying it is the worst beta till date, and including me, I'm also saying that it is the worst beta till date. I also tweeted out picture that the beta 5 will come out today or not, and many of you guys said that it will come out on August 17, but sadly it didn't came out. And if you want latest updates about Apple beta and all that thing, follow me on Twitter at TechHype. So the first thing which we will see is the storage. We will get back a ton of storage in beta 5, and most probably if we are expecting gold master after beta 5, then the possibilities are that we will see a 50% increase in our storage on beta 5 and approximately 20 to 25% increase in gold master. So next thing which will be improved is the app lagginess and the crashes. So on beta 3 there were almost none crashes for me. For me, only in beta 1 I got some crashes, but except beta 1 I haven't got any crash on iOS 14. But strangely I got a ton of crashes on beta 4, and many of you also reported me on Twitter that I'm getting crashes, I'm getting random shutdowns on my iPhone, on my iPad. There were YouTube bugs, and there were a ton of bugs on iOS 14 beta 4 for some reason. So expect that these all will be fixed in the beta 5. Of course, we all are fingers crossed. So let's hope that Apple will fix that. Now the next thing is the widgets. As I told you in my previous video also, that we were getting a ton of people replying to me that there was some issue related to widgets, and of course we know widgets are really bad on iOS 14, and I was also seeing this kind of behavior on my widgets for some reason. I really don't know, and many of you guys also reported me this screenshot, so that's why I thought to give this information to you all in this video. So if you do end up liking this video, be sure to give it a good old thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for latest tech info. Till then, peace out. I'll meet you all in the very next episode.